Hello guys, so today my video is something different which all of you must have thought, because there was a movie called Frozen. And do you know why it was called Frozen? I would like to show you the actual things, like why we feel like the snow is something which is the way which we see in that movie. I have a perfect example. See, so right now I am having snowfall here, which is very minute, very small, but I can show you something which will make you a clarification. This is natural. See, these are all fresh snow. Just look at this. It is like the same thing what actually we saw it in the movie. All around. I was really amazed looking at that. But it is really something which we all thought in mind, like it cannot be like this as they planned, but it is natural. This is how, see, I got something fresh here now, fallen. See here. That's something really, this is exact. I just want to say it like, which I saw, it's true. It's really true. I hope you guys also feel it the same. Thank you.